my dudes, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. And what we have planned for today is to transform a subscriber's car completely for free. So if you guys are interested in winning our next giveaway, please subscribe to the channel and you might also have your car, how can I say, pumped out on Wong Street to Track using parts supplied by STM. So before we do bust a move, I just want to say a massive thanks to a few companies like Express Solutions. Express Solutions was actually the company that was going to courier the parts or the coilover giveaway to whoever won it if they were obviously not in South Africa. And then I want to say a massive thanks to TANO at HOLLOWAY'S workshop, who will be installing the coilovers for us today. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's head downstairs and show you guys the car that we'll be transforming today. Okay guys, so this is the subscriber's car that has won the ARC coilover giveaway. It is a Honda Civic, I think it's a 150 or 160i. So we will be fitting the ARC coilovers for her, as well as when we return from TANO, I might just do a few mods using parts from STM as well. To my understanding, she has VTEC wheels, but they recently actually stole her center caps. And yes, I did say she. This is actually a female owned Honda Civic. Let me just give you guys a quick walk around. The car isn't perfect, but we do plan on maybe assisting her further with the car, seeing that she does have some money saved for the coilovers that she'll be getting for free. We might be assisting her with, obviously, how can I say, transforming the car in future as well. But for today, we do plan on fitting the ARC coilovers, and then I might just fit a lip for her that she isn't actually aware of. So yeah, I'm just going to put the coilovers in the car and then we can get going. Okay guys, so before we do start the installation, I do want to introduce you to my friend Tano. He is the owner of HOLLOWAY'S workshop, and before we do the installation, please go over to his channel and subscribe to his channel. He does a lot of how can I say, mechanical work on his channel, and his videos are very, how can I say, knowledgeable. So yeah, please go subscribe to his channel and let's get this video started. Okay guys, so before we start, this is just a quick comparison. This is the rear and this is the front. So what Tano did was, he turned this all the way up to here, so you guys can see the gaps is smaller. I think he mentioned 40mm in the rear and 60mm in front. Obviously you want your front to be a little lower. And then just something very important that he mentioned, you guys must use this washer. Sometimes guys assume that this stops it, but you need to use this washer because this might cause a knocking sound in the rear or in the front, for example. So this is very important. He mentioned that you guys need to use this washer. Okay guys, so moving forward with the Civic, there's obviously these rear panels. So the rear panels need to be removed. The front is actually easy. There's no panels that obviously need to be removed in front. The struts are in the engine bay. And then just something cool I just learned by TANO as well. So a lot of guys, struts like these are actually damaged, and these usually fall, so he uses a vice grip to keep it there. Just something cool I thought I'd share with you guys if you guys do need to use your boot for a long time. Okay guys, so as you guys know, you need the top hat of the original strut, I would say, and this is actually a cool way how TANO them actually removes it, because there's a lot of pressure on the spring. So just to remove the pressure, they use the actual lift just to press the spring down, and then you can remove this nut and you can remove the top hat that is needed to fit onto the ARC coilovers. Okay guys, so this is what the coilovers needs to look like before it actually goes into the car. As you can see, we use the top hats of the original struts to go onto the ARC coilovers, and now they'll be ready to be installed. We will be doing the ride height and that on the car as well. Okay guys, so just some information I thought I'd share with you. ARC does provide these nuts, because on the OEM the nut is mounted on the lower mount over there. However, on the coilover itself it does not have that option, so that is why they provide you with this. So you guys should not lose this, because it's very important that you use this in order for you. Okay guys, so this is the ride height that we went with. We didn't want to go very low, as this car is a daily as well. Also, please bear in mind that with the ARC coilovers, they are mainly used for track. As you guys know, ARC stands for anti-roll control. There is further adjustments that is needed to make the front a little bit lower. However, the rear can go way lower. So if that is something you guys would like us to maybe showcase in future, please let us know. But this is the ride height that we went with, because obviously I also want to get the subscribers, how can I say, approval. And then if she wants to make it lower, we can maybe make it lower as well. And then this is just a quick comparison. This is actually Jody's old car. As you guys know, I actually supplied him with this headlights. At the time the car was still being sprayed by Uncle Ronnie. I'll just cut to a video of that. Hey guys, this is just a quick video. This is a guy named Ronnie. He's doing the spray work for Jody's silver Ballard. I actually supplied Jody with a set of fresh depot lights. This is the lights over here. So I'm just dropping it off because the car is almost done. The car just needs flat and a polish. Basically, from what I can see, the guy Ronnie over there does a pretty good job. This is the bumper, and then this is, I assume, the OEM silver. so it looks very good. I think me and Jody spoke about actually color coding the side skirts. Based off this, it looks like he isn't going to do that, but yeah, I'm sure you guys will be seeing this car on Mr. Lately's channel as well, so please go check that out. They'll probably reveal the car once it's completely done. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this small section. Enjoy the rest of the video. So yeah, this is his car. This car is on BC coilovers, and as you guys can see, they are pretty much the same height. This is generally, how can I say, a comfortable ride height, I would say. I personally wouldn't really go lower if this was a daily, or if I had to use this car as a daily. So yeah, what we plan on doing right now is I do plan on fitting a lip, which will give the car a lower appearance as well. There is other few mods that will be going onto this car which will make it lower as well. So yeah, I'm going to go for a little bit of a drive, and then maybe give you guys a review on the whole suspension, because this car actually had original suspension, original shocks from the factory. So this will basically be a comparison with ARC coilovers versus original suspension. So yeah, as you guys can see, they are pretty much very similar height, but once the lip is on the car will look way more lower. Like I mentioned before, she actually isn't aware that I'm going to fit a lip onto the car. And then also just want to say a massive thanks to HOLLOWAY'S workshop. Please go check them out if you need any assistance with any mechanical work. Thanks a lot, TANO. You helped a lot. I appreciate it. TANO's actually going to be moving into a new workshop, and let's say we do end up going lower on the car, we might just show you how we lower the car a little bit more at this new workshop as well. So yeah, I'm gonna leave here right now. Thanks again, TANO, and let's continue the rest of this video. Okay guys, so like I mentioned before, what we do plan on doing right now, maybe just fitting a lip for her, and then maybe doing a few touch-ups over here. I know that she is planning on actually spraying the car, but I thought I might as well just touch it up for her in the meanwhile. And then I might just attempt to maybe bring this can up like that, and then also I'm gonna try to polish this green away over here, and then maybe just go over it with a brush and maybe just touch up these few things over here. Obviously I can't fix this for her right now, but yeah, that is what we do have planned for now, and then she can basically come collect her car. car. I tried to kind of touch it up here as well, so it looks a little bit better. I know it's not perfect. And then with regarding the ride height, we thought that that would be a decent ride height because obviously you daily the car. And then I surprised you with a lip as well.
Really?
Yeah, so I tried to maybe touch this up, but I thought, nah, you're probably gonna do that in the future.
No, but I am doing this one.
Is it?
Friend because that's why I left it.
Yeah, I picked up that it's kind of silver here, and the bumper was silver before. Whatever. But are you happy with?
Yes, I am. Thank
Is it?
you so much.
Sure, no problem.
No.
And you fine with the ride height? Do you want to go lower, or is the ride height properly like that for you? Would you like to go lower in future or something? Yeah. So I was thinking TANO is going to open up a new workshop, and then if you want to go lower, you can do that. But I just thought this would be a normal ride height for you now, and then you can take it from there. Cool. You want to go for a drive quickly, and then we can just feel our feels. Probably missed your car.
I did.
No.
I don't like having other people's cars.
Is it? Yeah.
Anything
Cool.
can happen.
Okay guys, so we're slowly coming to the end of this video. Before we do end of the video, I just want to once again say a massive thanks to TANO for obviously sponsoring the whole installation, etc. It's highly appreciated, bro. Thank you so much. I also just want to mention that the subscriber was obviously very camera shy, and that is why I kind of just hid a little camera then to get the first reaction. But she was very grateful. We took the car for a drive, we tested the car, went over a few speed bumps, etc. Review was exactly the same like mine. Obviously it's way more better than a standard suspension. Obviously the car is a little bit lower than the car was before, so in certain areas like maybe going over a speed bump, it will be a little bit harder than usual. But overall, IRC coilovers, I'd say, is a very good bang for your buck, guys. And if you do want something, how can I say, a little bit better, unfortunately you would obviously have to pay around 15 to 17k for PC coilovers, which is the same coilovers that I have in my car as well. So yeah, if you're looking at paying 5 to 5,500 for a set of coilovers, I would highly recommend it. It's very good bang for your buck, guys. I would highly recommend IRC coilovers, regardless if I'm selling it or not. If I do end up actually getting a budget build, you will most definitely see a set of IRC coilovers in that car of mine as well. So yeah guys, I'm at the end of the video here. Thanks again a lot for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and you guys might stand a chance of also winning something from STM as well. So yeah, like I mentioned, subscribe to the channel. Mention in the comment section what you guys would like to see us give away next. Thanks again, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.